In this video, I will be somewhat demonstrating a Valcom V110RT intercom unit. This is a very nice prepackaged intercom unit. The only other prepackaged intercom unit that had a connection block like this was the Valcom MC9. So these two intercom units did not require any type of infinite cable or 66 punch down block to install. Now you probably would need to have a miniature 66 block to install into a 551 KSU on the sides, since it's not really have any room inside of it, or the shoebox KSU. This one is from 1982, and I just have it rigged up here so we can test it. It's very simple to wire up. All you have is your A and B battery. Of course, you can use A battery for both. You got your lamp supply, audio supply, lamp ground, and other things like that. I can't see through the camera, but it's a very nice unit. Like I said, it's very easy to wire, so I'm going to take the top off here so you can hear the relays. Valcom makes pretty good, decent equipment. Melco makes decent equipment. I don't know if Tone Commander ever made a unit like this, a 10 extension unit. But let me go ahead and go off hook. And this does have dial tone. And I'm going to dial 6. And since this is hooked up to my other intercom unit, I'm going to dial extension 5. Now the intercom here is not buzzing anything. The buzzing is done by my regular intercom unit. And if you do star 5, it buzzes it twice. Now, of course, you can't hear that because it's not hooked up to do that. So let me go ahead and do an extension that's not hooked up. There you go. So my plan of this intercom unit is to just hook it up just for dial tone. My Teltone intercom unit does not provide dial tone. Pretty much, I think Valcom was the only one who did in the 182 game. Also, I might be using this to control some relays through the page control relay. Teltone has its little version of that. However, since it makes the relay won't work right because it flashes on and off, because on their product the lamp flashes when you dial the extension. But if you hold on for one moment, I will show you the sounds of this on the speakerphone. In this clip, I have hooked up the Valcom intercom unit to the 182 key system, as well as it's hooked up along with another intercom unit that provides intercom service. On my 182 key system, I do have what they call a lead control, meaning I'm able to tap into any particular line on the system from an analog phone or from my Nortel phone system. So this is what it sounds like since the Valcom intercom unit provides dial tone. And I would do the call director. And the buzzing that you hear, it's hooked up to a telephone buzzer, just so y'all can hear it. So I am planning of using the Valcom unit just for dial tone by itself, and possibility of using a relay with it to control some stuff. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below.